Hi, I was mucking around earlier on today with a design you see here. It's basically, imagine we're in a tidal flow here, and say we're the water going through this set of blades like this. These back set of blades here, they're all being pushed that way as we go through it. They're clamped at the top. Yeah, I've not drawn it yet. You're going to have to bear with me here. There's a bit of imagining to do this. They'd be, as you can see, pulled back by the water, back a wee bit. And as they get pulled back, they're going to be pinched in together. So they're going to bulge slightly towards the back there as well. The ones, that C shape at the back is slightly more bulged than that C shape at the front. See how it goes back and it narrows as well. So yeah, basically there's going to be a rope going all the way from here, latching onto the top of this sail, latching onto the top of that one. We'll run with it. See, it goes back there, and it's going to go all the way to this pulley here. Now that pulley is going to be linked down to the one on the bottom, as the sails are going to be linked to top and bottom as well. And like I say, I've not drawn the pulley in yet, and as you see, there's this trouble here. You would need to have either another pulley set, taking this up and taking it up onto dry land off the side of the river, say up out here somewhere. You could run it just like your ski lift sets. You could clip these on and off, kind of like Palmer lifts maybe, or if you were just running it like this, I guess you'd have great big tubes there. That's going to take quite a bit of hydrostatic force. That it's going to take a fair bit of loading if you had a straight tube down instead of just aligning these up. But anyway, to hold that in place, you're going to need quite a lot of force anyway. So it may well be that a great big flat pipe may well be the design there. So for the ends where these are going to meet onto the rope, you would have a progressive rubber molding layers going over here. So you'd have a top layer, middle layer, bottom layer, clamping onto and clamping devices to fit onto the rope, so you could take it on and off. The single sheet pieces, they drive this way, go around, and work in the same way, drive that way, in the same current. I'm sure it's a done idea before, but you'd need to create sail sheets that had a shorter front, longer back, so your path loading in the sail itself is going to have this short front line, longer back line. Let's get in beside one. Yeah, this from front here to the front of the bottom is slightly shorter than this long one, so it scoops out like that. Looks pretty nice, I'd say. Gosh, it looks pretty powerful, like a wave, that sort of thing. It's a bit like a wave coming at you. Yeah, I'd be scared if I was a river or tidal flow going into that. Yeah, again, let me know if I'm gibbering, eh?